Welcome to my YouTube channel Unique Physics by HJ Sir. 12th Physics, Chapter number 1, Electric Charges and Field. Here we will discuss illustration number 1.4. This is important illustration of this chapter. Question of this illustration is that Coulomb's law and Newton's law of gravitation both are inverse square law. Inverse square law means force is inversely proportional to square of distance. A. Find the magnitude of ratio of electric force to gravitational force for number 1 for proton and electron, number 2 for two protons. Question number B. Estimate the acceleration of proton and electron due to electric force. Now here distance between them r is equals to 1 angstrom. 1 angstrom means 1 into 10 raised to minus 10 meter. A. Here we want ratio of electric force to gravitational force means Fe upon Fg. Number 1 we have proton and electron. So first of all we write equation of electric force. So electric force Fe is equals to K Q1 Q2 upon R square. K is constant, Q1 charge of proton means E, Q2 charge of electron is also E upon R square. Here we consider magnitude of charges. So our equation becomes Ke square upon R square, equation number 1. Similarly, gravitational force is given by G m1 m2 upon R square. G is constant, m1 means mass of proton because here we have first particle proton, m2 mass of electron divided by R square. This is our equation number 2. Here we want ratio of Fe to Fg. So equation number 1 divided by equation number 2. So Fe upon Fg is equals to Ke square upon G mp me. Now here we substitute value of all these constant. K means Coulomb constant. Its value is 9 into 10 raised to 9. E square, basic unit of charge. It is 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 whole square divided by G, universal gravitational constant. It is 6.67 into 10 raised to minus 11. MP, mass of proton. It is 1.66 into 10 raised to minus 27 kilogram. And mass of electron is 9.1 into 10 raised to minus 31 kilogram. If we solve this equation, then we found that Fe upon Fg is equals to 2.4 into 10 raised to 39. So this is the ratio of electric force to gravitational force for proton and electron. Second question. Find ratio of electric force to gravitational force for two proton. This is our second question. Now first of all we use equation of electric force. Electric force Fe is equals to K E square upon R square. Here we consider charge of two proton Q1 and Q2. Both are equals to E. So here we have Fe is equals to Ke square upon R square. Gravitational force between two proton is given by G mp into mp upon R square. It means G mp square upon R square. This is our first equation. This is our second equation. Here we divide equation number 1 and 2. So 1 by 2. So Fe upon Fg is equals to, here we have Ke square upon G mp square. Now substitute all constant. K Coulomb constant 9 into 10 raised to 9. E 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 whole square divided by G 6.67 into 10 raised to minus 11 into mp square 1.66 mass of proton into 10 raised to minus 27 whole square. Solve this example. So your answer is 1.3 into 10 raised to 36. So this is our solution of a question. For proton and electron, ratio of Fe to Fg is 2.4 into 10 raised to 39, while suppose we have two protons, so ratio of Fe to Fg is 1.3 into 10 raised to 36. From these two value we can say that the value of power is positive. This suggests that electric force between two charges is so much greater than gravitational force because the power is positive. Next question B. Find acceleration of electron. It is denoted by AE, and acceleration of proton AP due to electric force. So first of all we use equation of electric force between proton and electron. Equation of electric force Fe is equals to K Q1 Q2 upon R square. K as it is, E1 Q1 means charge of electron, it is denoted by E. Q2 charge of proton is also denoted by E upon R square. So our equation becomes Ke square upon R square. Now substitute all this quantity. K is known as Coulomb constant, 9 into 10 raised to 9. E square, charge of electron or proton, here we consider only magnitude, so it is 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 whole square. Distance, here in our question distance is given, it is 1 angstrom. 1 angstrom means 10 raised to minus 10 meter. So divided by 10 raised to minus 10 whole square. Solve these questions. So electric force between proton and electron is given by 2.3 into 10 raised to minus 8 Newton. Now according to Newton's second law of motion, we have equation of force F is equals to ma. Now here we want acceleration of electron. So first of all we use this equation for electron. So for electron, electric force Fe is equals to, we can write me, mass of electron, into acceleration of electron. We want acceleration of electron Ae. So make equation of Ae. Ae is equals to Fe upon me. Fe, it is 2.3 into 10 raised to minus 8 Newton, and mass of electron 9.1 into 10 raised to minus 31 kilogram. Find the solution. So acceleration of electron is 2.5 into 10 raised to 22 meter per second square. Similarly, we can find acceleration of proton also. Now use same equation for proton. So electric force Fe is equals to mass of proton mp into acceleration of proton ap. Make equation of ap. So ap is equals to Fe upon mp. Fe, electric force, is given by 2.3 into 10 raised to minus 8 Newton, divided by mp, mass of proton, it is 1.66 into 10 raised to minus 27 kilogram. This is our standard value. Now find the solution. So our answer is acceleration of proton is equals to 1.4 into 10 to the power 19 meter per second square. Remember this point, electron is lighter particle compared to proton. That's why acceleration of electron Ae is so much greater than acceleration of proton. Thanks.